take the gel out. So while they transfer, you hold it here in order to not lose anything, any liquid. Otherwise, you're gonna get a lot of liquid spillage. Okay. So you pour it, and take this cassette out. Hold it this way, and open the door. There's no way that you're gonna take this on you. Whole thing should be out, right? And then you lift up the gel and put all others here. We can clean it later. And now, you see the markers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's good. Now I want to detach two plastic from each other. I usually grab that way. This is short side, long side. I lift up slowly. Gel is here. You see that? Right there. Important thing is do not detach right away. Do not. My recommendation is pour the buffer first. And then touch the bottom side here. So you just moisturize it. And then you have a lot of waters between them. You are easily able to detach. So grab the bottom gently, and then lift up and drop it here. Alright? It doesn't matter. There's no front and back. This is gel, three-dimensional gel. So we'll throw this. So about 1 minute for saturation. The same buffer, you gotta saturate them. And this one turned out to be not required. Now we have to pour this, start to assemble. So take it out because of a lot of holes, you're making bubbles here. So I'm gonna pour, if possible, minimize the production of bubbles. Okay. This is black, as I said, black.
Sponge.
First thing you want to do, sponge. So when you do this, look at it, what I'm doing, because I don't want to lose any drops of liquid, connect them all. Right? And then these are all same buffer, so they can share basically. And put the sponge on top of it, and make sure you got a hole here. Look at the hole, right? Yeah, you don't want to block it, because later you have to close it. And everything gotta be squared up. Now what I have to do?
Paper.
One of the filter paper. And put on top.
Gel.
Right. And then we're gonna put the gel. So I need, Brian, your help.
Yeah.
You get the glove. And yeah, you stand there. You move back a little bit more. So what you want to do, you hold 4 corners like this.
Yeah.
Push down a little bit, okay? There and there. Really edge so that I can, transfer the gel. And then try to lift up that way. Somehow. Okay, good. So we have enough buffer here. So now I need gel to be transferred, right? So, thinking they are quite saturated already. So now transfer. Grab the bottom gently. You don't want to crack it. See? Don't move. Just stay there. Because everything is under the liquid, you can detach the gel. Otherwise, the gel will be stick, and that's it. So make sure that no ruffles here, because you have a lot of welds here. Ruffles could be generated. Okay, stay there. Now I'm gonna put the nitrocellulose membrane, right? After you attach them, never forget to do this. You press from the center toward the outward, basically outward, and then yeah. So there maybe some bubbles are captured. See, I see a lot of bubbles coming out. Look at that, huh? Bubbles coming out. I do, particularly at the center, we don't want to have a bubble. So you could do this way. Remove your finger. Okay. In order to get the really good transport. Some people rolling the ballpoint pen, like some cylinder, but you could do this way. The longer the better, eventually. Until you feel like very confident. I think it's done. My experience. And then square it up, make sure that everything's squared up. And then now what I have to do?
Filter paper.
We can add 2 more, okay? Okay, now I have to lock it. So now I have to take whole thing out, okay? But you gotta press a little bit because there's water. There's a adhesion, right? So make sure that it has to be all squared up here before you lock it, and lock, okay? And put it down again. See, it has to be, you don't want anything stick out. Now turn it